how to activate credit card from the Bank of America. So basically, if you haven't enrolled in online banking yet, so just visit the bankofamerica.com's official website, or you can also download the Bank of America via Play Store or from the Apple Play Store. And there, if you have successfully downloaded the app, install it and make sure that you have enrolled online banking. Now, once you have successfully enrolled online banking, all you have to do is just simply sign in using your online banking ID and passcode to speed up the activation. And right there, to activate it, all you have to do is an online access or a call with a Bank of America customer support representative if you cannot do it alone. The next thing that you'll do once you have fully activated or enrolled your account, just go to the cards that you have from the app and then just simply choose on activate. It is usually on the highlighted blue button from the application. Tap on that and you'll have to enter the CVV code, the card number, and then the expiration date of the card, and as well as your 16 card number. That's it. That's how simple and easy you can activate your credit card from the Bank of America.